Hey Flutter developers! Discover why Riverpod is the cleanest way to manage state in Flutter. It's like Provider 2.0, but better. Riverpod stands out with its unique features. It eliminates the need for context, ensures type-safe code, and offers built-in error handling. Plus, it provides super clean asynchronous support. Let's dive into the code. Create a provider with final counter provider =StateProvider, ref, =0. Use it anywhere in your app with consumer, builder, _ref, __, $text, $/ref.watch, counter provider. For API data, use final user provider =FutureProvider, ref, =API.getUser. Developers love Riverpod for its simplicity and efficiency. Start with StateProvider for simple state and FutureProvider for API calls. Happy coding?